welcome back to another Mechanical Room Extras Meet the Team special extravaganza. And we have Susan to my left. Susan, how are you doing today?
I'm good. Fine, thank you. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing wonderful. Thank you for asking. I really appreciate that.
Yep. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, I found you in the break room.
Yeah.
You were, I believe, getting some water, some coffee, and I was like,
Just washing my cup.
well, yeah. I was like, hey, young lady, let's go on the screen here so we can introduce you to the world of LinkedIn and Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and MySpace and everything and beyond. So, you're pretty new here, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Your tenure is exactly how long so far?
Slightly over a month, I think, because I started on 26th of last month.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, so we're recording this on November 1st right now. I'm not sure exactly. I'll have this out in the next couple of days, so it'll still be pretty close. So about a month.
Yeah.
How are you liking Centrotherm, the pipe store, so far?
Well, so far so good. I really like the environment. I think I like the culture. Yeah, I enjoy the working with my team, the accountants, and everyone is supportive. I think everyone is friendly. So far so good, and yeah, so far I like what I'm doing.
Excellent. So tell us a little bit about what it is that you're doing here. You are a staff accountant, correct?
Yeah.
So what is your day-to-day like?
So my day-to-day activity, it ranges. I do a couple of things. I do a couple of sales reporting, daily sales reporting. I do a bit of end month. At the end of the month, I have to do the end month closing. What else do? I do a lot of things. Bank reconciliations.
Bank reconciliations.
Yeah.
What is that exactly?
So basically, you're trying to make sure that whatever you have in our general ledger matches what is in the bank statement, and the balances are equal, something like that.
Okay, so bank reconciliation, that sounds like a lot of technical money stuff, which is a bit above our audience here, including the host. So how about let's hear about Susan, the human being. Where are you from originally?
Yeah, originally I'm from Kenya. That is the eastern part of Africa. Yeah, I was born and bred in Kenya, and then I went to school there. So I came over here because I had an opportunity to come and pursue my master's. So I went to Russell here in Albany, and that's where I did my master's. I graduated in May of this year.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And yeah, I had various opportunities in the country. Okay, first of all, I worked in school. I worked with different companies, and then thankfully I have a Centrotherm, which I believe it's a great place to grow and get to learn a little bit more about my career, which is what I'm looking forward to. So
that's really wonderful. That's really positive. I thank you for sharing. So you like it here at Centrotherm. What else do you like? Like what kind of music are you into? What kind of what TV shows are you watching right now? What do you do for fun?
What do I do for fun? Oh my God. So for me, I'm so much into, I don't know if that is fun to you, but I really enjoy working out.
Oh, sure, of course.
Yeah,
So beefing, as we call it. That's it. Alex is laughing over there. We always talk about it because we're both of us we're in the gym all the time too. So,
oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. Yeah.
What do you bench press?
What is that?
That's this one when you're on your back, like
Oh my God.
500
No,
pounds, 600 pounds.
I honestly don't do that. I don't do anything because I tried all these heavy, abs kind of exercises, and I developed some chest pains.
Okay.
So my doctor recommended that I take a break from those. So I just do simple simple things. I can run, I can skip,
Jump rope,
Yeah,
of course.
jump rope.
Really good. That's underrated cardio and really good strength training, endurance, and stamina and stuff like that. A lot of boxers.
Yeah, I have the bike.
Stationary bike.
The
Excellent.
stationary
Okay,
bike.
so a lot of cardio. What do you? So when you're on the stationary bike, what's in the earbuds?
I do soca music.
I love soca music. Oh my God, for real? So soca music is not the most popular in this area, but I personally am a very big fan. Who are you listening to? Who's like a classic soca star?
Oh my goodness, I can't. To be honest with you, I can't really tell you by their names, because I just look for, because it's a mix normally, so I just look for it.
So you're listening on Spotify or like Apple Music or something, and it's a soca playlist?
Yeah.
You are absolutely going to have to send me the link to that, because I really like reggae music, soca music. It sounds like you enjoy what you're doing here. It's a great growth opportunity for you to learn and get your feet wet with the finance stuff. So what language do they speak in Kenya?
So in Kenya, we speak Swahili.
Okay.
That is like the national language. But also we speak English. So depending on where you come from or where you're born, English could be your second or third or whatever, fourth language.
Really?
Depending on where you're brought up.
Are you fluent in Swahili?
Yeah, I'm very fluent in Swahili.
So will you say...
When I grew up, the first language that was spoken to me was Swahili.
Amazing.
Yeah, so that when you go to school, you start going to school, because everything else is taught in English. So you get to learn English and you get to...
Yeah, English has a pretty imperialist hold on most of the world languages out there. So in the spirit of your homeland, will you say something like, thanks for listening to the Mechanical Room in Swahili?
Na wasikilizaji wote, ninafuraha sana kuwa hapa katika hiki chumba cha mechanic plumbing kilichoko hapa Centrotherm. Ninafurahi sana kuja hapa kuzungumza nawe na kujua mengi yanayoendelea katika hii kampuni. Shukran.